What's up, society? Soul State. Question for you. Do you run on a server? If so, do you have a 24/7 server? Do you use AWS? Do you use Google Cloud or whatever that is? If you have a server, do you have more than one? How many bots can you run on each server? And when did having a server become necessary, not a luxury? And if you don't have a sneaker server, why not? It's because they're too expensive? You're confused on what to look for? Maybe a little bit of both? In this video, I'm going to talk about two server providers. Two that I use and that sponsor my channel. And the benefits of running on a server. And why, once I started, I can never go back. And my success speaks for itself. So let's look at two server providers, go over the specs, and help you out in your decision. And maybe get you from sneaker servers are too expensive or unnecessary to an absolute must if you want to stay on top. If you appreciate and enjoy this content, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below and let me know that you like the video. Now let's get into this and figure out why sneaker servers are so important these days.
Alright guys, so the first server that we're going to look at today is my Sauce server. Sauce has been my primary server sponsor for a good while now, and I have been extremely pleased with everything so far. But the best thing to me about Sauce is the variety of packages that they offer. So really they make servers available for everyone on any type of budget or anything like that. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of bots on this server. I have Valor, Stellar, Meg, Stormy, Soul, Prism, and then I even have Cage on here as well. I can put in some footage from the Yeezy 350 compact drop. I'll put that up on the screen right now. As you guys can see, I was running 4 or 5 bots with about 500 to 1,000 tasks on each bot, I think is what I ran. And we were running it with absolutely no problem, and the server was still functioning flawlessly. And on top of that, we also had AYCD auto solve running in the background with 14 solvers open solving captchas. So as you guys can see, Sauce servers is one of the best out there. Now, you may wonder what type of packages do they offer, how affordable is it? So let's look at it. So right now, we're on the Sauce servers website. sauceservers.com, very simple to remember. And I do want to point out that I do have a discount code for Sauce servers, and I'll have that as the first thing in the description on this video. So if you guys want to pick up a server from Sauce servers, make sure that you use my code. I believe it's SoulState15, but it will be down there in the description, so make sure you check that out. So you can get any of these servers for much cheaper than what you see here. They have the starter for $60 a month, the pro for $80 a month, the next one for $100 a month. You guys know, I'm a Christian man, so but anyways, the last server and the ultra wacko XQC mode server is the Sheesh server. Now, you guys may see $195 a month and say that's absolutely insane. Why would you spend that much money on a server? Well, when you think about it, the money that you can make off the server, $195 is nothing when you think about it. Having a server like Sauce servers will allow you to run 24/7. So basically what that means is when all of your cook groups are picking up shoes that are restocking throughout the middle of the night, you guys will be able to use those bots 24/7, those monitors 24/7, so you guys will always be botting. You're going to be botting 24/7. And I will leave a link in the description to my friend Botter Builder. He did a great video on Mech.io and how he runs their Shopify module and how he picks up pairs a lot. So shout out to Botter Builder for that video. I will leave a link down there in the description. Go check that one out. So if you don't want to spend this much on a monthly server, if you don't want to commit that much yet, that's not a problem at all. Thanks to Sauce Servers, you guys can see they have daily and weekly servers. But it's not just a one-size-fits-all server, go try it out. No. You're going to get to try out exactly what you would be buying for a month. So you're going to get to look at it, use it for a day or for a week, and see, is this for me? And you know that while you're trying it out, you're testing out the exact product that you would be buying on a monthly basis. So Sauce Servers is my primary server sponsor of my channel. They've served me extremely well, like I've said, and their Discord community is extremely helpful. I will leave their Discord in the description as well. Join their Discord, purchase a server, make sure that you guys use my code for 15% off. Take advantage of that and start running 24/7. That's how people like myself, Botter Builder, that's how we're able to take it to the next level, because while we're sleeping, our server is on and we are constantly monitoring and running for shoes. So if you're looking to get into 24/7 botting, really use that automation feature that a lot of bots are offering these days, highly suggest checking out Sauce Servers and making sure that you use that code SOLSTAY15 to get 15% off of your monthly server. Let's look at the second server provider, and this is going to be a name that you guys are pretty familiar with, just maybe not on the server side. As you guys can see, we're looking at Live. Now you guys probably know Live Proxies, the best probably residential proxies out there in the game today. And recently Live has actually started producing servers as well. So now not only can you have Live Proxies, you can have a live server as well. Shout out to my guy at Live. He was able to hook me up with a server and I've been testing it lately. And here, I'll just give you guys a preview. Here's the homepage in case you were just wondering what it looked like. This does come on all Live servers. Rest assured, often imitated, never duplicated. Couldn't agree more. So Live servers are pretty brand new, and they're a little bit different than Sauce. And Live is offering, instead of multiple packages, they're looking more at a pristine, top tier botter. So if you are serious about botting, I would say maybe start here. If you're just getting into servers, then definitely utilize Sauce Servers. You can even utilize their higher tier servers if you're a serious botter. But if you are a serious botter who runs multiple bots on each release, definitely check out Live Servers. So let's check out their dashboard here and just read a little bit about what they have going on here. So they say, we're here to change the game again. You guys know they absolutely revolutionized the proxy game with their proxies. So now they're here to do it again on servers. Now offering servers tailored for botting to optimize performance. So why should you choose Live Servers? Number one, unlike many of dedicated sneaker server providers in the market, Live Servers are managed in-house to provide better uptime and reliability, which are essential. Some of these other server providers, I won't name names, but I have worked with one in the past. If you want maintenance done on that server, it's going to take hours because they're not always in control. It's just contracted through someone else. With Live Servers, you will get up to a minute response time and they'll be able to help you out immediately. So that's huge for a sneaker server because sometimes stuff goes wrong, you need to make changes ASAP, you need access to the server, and you need help. Number two, we're utilizing the latest server technology hardware ever, unleashing your bot's full potential when it comes to performance. You guys know, bots use a lot of CPU, a lot of memory, so to have a server you're going to run multiple bots on, because this is what this is for. Live servers are not for one bot. If you only have one bot, I'm gonna be honest, don't get a live server. It's not for you. You're not gonna utilize it. This server can handle so much that you throw at it. It's built and tailored towards botters who run multiple bots. Number 3, get your full money's worth. The price you pay for the newest technology hardware is the best bang for your buck. It's a super good deal, guys. When you look at the specs, and we'll look at it in just a second, it's really unmatched in terms of what you're paying for. And number 4, this is a big one, guys. As a live server subscriber, you will have access to buy live proxies plans at any time, regardless of having an active plan or not. If you aren't in live proxies, then you know how hard it is to get a plan. They're not in stock, and once you get in, if you let that plan expire, it's going to be tough to get another one. So, being a live server subscriber, you're going to have access to live proxies, some of the best proxies in the game, 24/7, the drop of a hat. You can purchase more when you need them. That's a huge benefit that cannot be understated. So let's look at the pricing, and let's look at some of the specs. 24 gigabytes of RAM, 12 virtual CPUs. I mean, unlimited bandwidth. That's a big one that people go for. Unlimited bandwidth, 99.9% uptime. That's a fact. The portal is really easy to use. I'll show it to you in just a second. So $110 a month. I don't think I have a code for this. I'll check with Live and make sure, but I don't believe I have a code for this. So, and you can see right here they have some frequently asked questions, and I'll just go over this first one because it's what we just talked about. Why do I need a server? Local ISPs don't like sneaker botters. That's a fact. When you run your tasks on local, you're causing a massive headache. You're going to get banned. So most of the time, they block your access to your proxy servers, or they put a rate limit on. We've all been rate limited before. Live sneaker servers are connected to multiple data center tier 1 ISPs. So you get extremely high speeds, greater stability, and the lowest latency, which is not found on local ISPs. So, and I'll look at this one too. How many bots? That's how many. Alright guys, let me get into the portal, show you just a little bit. Go up to your client area, hit that blue button. Alright, so here is the live client area. You guys can see this is my dashboard. Obviously a lot of this is blurred out because I cannot give away my information. But you guys can see up here, you can keep track of everything. You have your services, quotes, unpaid invoices, any tickets that you open as well. You can do that right in here. You can open a ticket, super cool. Alright, so let's go to our services. We're going to look. Here's our server right here, as you guys can see, $110 a month. It gives us our next due date, everything like that. You can place an add-on, place a new order as well. So super easy. You can do everything right here inside the client area. And if we click on our server, it shows right here, it is active. It tells us all of our registration, when our due date is, stuff like that. You could cancel it if you wanted to, but you don't. Why would you? And then down here at the bottom, shows you your IP, everything like that, whether your server is online or not, how long it's been online for. That's a pretty cool feature. And then also you can power it off, connect to it, restart it, stuff like that. So that's another huge thing. You don't have to contact anyone to restart it, stuff like that. You can just do it yourself. So if you need to reset for whatever reason, right here, you don't have to open a ticket, anything like that. You could just restart it right from there. So guys, that is the 2 sneaker servers that we were going to look at today, Sauce servers and live servers. Both of those links will be down there in the description. You guys should be able to save a little bit of money on each one. Thank you so much to Sauce servers and live servers for sponsoring me, allowing me to make this video. I have their Twitters linked down there below as well. Guys, I hope this answered questions about what a sneaker server is, why you need it, things like that, because I know a lot of you guys have those questions. So if you are looking to take your botting to the next level, remember, go for one of those top tier Sauce servers or a live server to really maximize all of that. If you're just getting started out, I highly suggest you check out the Sauce servers daily and weekly servers as well, just to get your feet wet. As always, guys, I'm here to answer any questions for you guys if you have any. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down there in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video and that you're subscribed to the channel for all future updates. We're going to be doing a lot of cool videos like this, explaining anything. If you guys have a certain topic that you want me to tackle next, just leave it down there in the comments and I will get to it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Good luck on all the drops this week, and we will see you on the next